MobyMax makes it easy to unassign skills from both individual students and an entire class in Writing Workshop. First, let's go over how to unassign skills from your entire class. To get started, select the Curriculum tab after signing into your MobyMax teacher account. Click on the Writing Workshop button and then select the Assign tab at the top of the page. Then, select the radio button next to the name of the skill you want to unassign. Click the Delete button and confirm by clicking Delete again. The skill will now be unassigned from all students. To unassign a skill from an individual student, click the Students link and then click the name of a student. Check the box next to the skill you want to unassign and click the Delete button. Confirm by clicking Delete again. Please note, if a student has either completed or started the skill, they will lose their progress. Additionally, if you are deleting auto-assigned skills and want to exclude them permanently, you can also do so from this page. Select the Manage Auto-Assign link under Adaptive Learning in the left-hand navigation pane. On the next page, click the Exclude Specific Skills from Auto-Assign button. Use the Search and Sort features to find the skill you wish to exclude, check the box next to the skill, and then click the Exclude Skills button. Please note, excluding skills from your class will impact a student's ability to achieve 100% proficiency in standards and grade levels. MobyMax helps teachers effortlessly customize skills sequencing for their students in Writing Workshop.